All of Kaiterra's air quality monitors feature a unique, industry-leading modular design. Why is this important to you? Because it allows you to maximize the accuracy of your monitors in a simple, fast, and low-cost way. It also allows you to future-proof your buildings. This feature was developed based on feedback from sensor experts and building engineers. Today, it is loved by facility teams, workplace leaders, and sustainability groups worldwide.
Accuracy is crucial when it comes to air quality monitoring. Without accurate data, any strategy for optimization is futile. Here's the issue. All air quality sensors have a potential to drift over time. They accumulate dirt, dust, debris. This leads to inaccurate data that you can't fully trust. Imagine this, taking a photograph with a dusty camera lens versus a camera that's brand new and right out of the box. That's essentially what's happening with your devices.
Air quality sensors need to be recalibrated at regular intervals to maintain accuracy. In the traditional calibration process, you'd send your devices back to the manufacturer or have someone come on site where they put a reference grade monitor side by side to perform the calibration, and they'd have to do it for each device installed. That's a costly and time-consuming process. Imagine having to do this for every device in every space on every floor across hundreds of buildings in your portfolio.
The modular design is specifically intended to address these pain points. The sensors of our air quality monitors are housed in replaceable modules. When your sensors need calibration, you can simply swap out the old modules with new ones. The entire process is as simple as replacing a battery. Whether it is 2 years or 10 years down the road, you can easily equip your monitors with brand new sensors to ensure your data is accurate. This is a much more cost-effective approach with no downtime and no need for expensive technicians. This is a big deal, especially if you have a large portfolio.
As technology advances, new sensors are also emerging, which brings with it a new wave of air quality and environmental quality parameters to be measured. Devices you're putting on the walls today may quickly become outdated, rendering them unable to satisfy your needs or meet new healthy building standards, or worse, comply with regulatory requirements. The last thing you want is a static device on the wall that is unable to adapt and advance with new technology. Imagine having to go through the months-long process of procuring devices, removing them off the walls, and installing the new devices just to keep up with new requirements. That would be a nightmare.
The modular design allows you to add any parameter to your monitoring capabilities at any time, as long as technology allows. Whenever you need to measure something new, you can easily upgrade your device by changing your modules rather than replacing the entire system. This is a great way to future-proof your buildings and comply with changing regulations, certifications, and legislative requirements.
All Kaiterra sensor modules come with a traceable certificate of calibration to prove that they've been pre-calibrated and tested at the factory. If you are pursuing a WELL certification, these certificates allow you to meet the annual calibration requirements, but with a much lower price tag compared to the other methods to prove calibration.
The lifespan of our modules can vary depending on the environment and the level of pollutants they are exposed to. If you're concerned about when to replace your modules, we have a couple of cool features. You can view the health of each module in the Kaiterra web app. We also send you notifications when your modules need replacement, so you'll have one less thing to worry about.
At Kaiterra, we take air quality monitoring very seriously. You can get so much value out of your IAQ data, including occupant health and well-being and employee experience, to energy savings and decarbonization. And as you know, with data, if you have garbage in, you'll have garbage out, which is why it's crucial that it stays accurate. With accurate, reliable data, you can get effective strategies to improve the spaces for your people. Reach out to us so that we can help take your building to the next level and improve the health and well-being of everyone inside.